The purpose of the I-Cube system is to allow someone to implement a way of sensing an environment and/or the actions of humans that is specifically suited to an interactive multimedia application. Carlos Vela-Martinez is a sculptor who works with technology who has done exactly that. Can you tell us a bit about what you've created?
Yeah, I worked on a piece that is a vessel, is the way I think about it. I like people to approach it, to explore it with their hands, and in doing so, I think that they can learn a little bit about the sort of the place that's held within. There's a wheel on the top that's got some textures of sort of like aerial photographs, and but it's not. It's a little obscure, and I like people to imagine where that place might be. The sounds that are evoked when one explores the sensors, or plays with the light levels, or just moves around it. I think evoke kind of an atmosphere of a place.
And speaking about the sensors, how have you used the I-Cube technology to help you create your piece?
It's the heart of it, basically. The sensors take the input from the person, they processes it and outputs it basically through this image wheel. It rotates, switches on the video on and off, it adjusts the sound, plays with the space of the sound. Basically, it's got a personality that it responds to, so it's kind of got a temperament.
And through your experience, I know that you have a little bit of computer programming knowledge. When you use the Max and the I-Cube system, how easy was it for you to tap into and start using?
It was a lot easier, actually. The traditional programming language is just so straightforward or linear. It's aggravating. You have to look at pages of code. With Max, you can use it's a graphic language. You can see it on the screen, and that's just the way I work. It's a lot easier. If I can see it, it's far easier for me.
And now that you've used the system once, do you see yourself using it again? Is it something that would perhaps be helpful in creating other pieces?
Oh yeah, yeah. Basically, it's a good brain for everything that for all these robotics products that I want to do. Instead of making circuit boards and soldering things together, I can program with Max, put it into the I-Cube. The I-Cube can spit things out, turning off motors and activating lights and things like that. It's just a lot easier.